Congratulations.
Ayan po, magandang hapon po. Andito po ako ngayon muli sa inyong harapan at meron po tayong kaibigan, ate, tagapayo at saka ayan, nagpapasaya din sa amin sa Team Ginisa. Ayan, Ma'am Lisa, happy birthday sa iyo. Ayan po, kasabay nyo po ang aking kapatid na magbe-birthday January 15, Viva Senior Santo Niño. O, diba? Ayan po, Ma'am Lisa, salamat sa iyong pagpapatawa palagi at sa mga sayaw-sayaw natin ganun-ganun, oh. Ang hirap sundan yung sayaw mo. Ayan, ginagaya ko pero hindi ko talaga magaya yung sayaw mo. So, enjoy po sa TikTok at pagda-diet po sa mga healthy foods. Ayan po, happy birthday po sa iyo, Ma'am Lisa. At lagi po kayong mag-iingat ni Aiko. Tsaka kayong pamilya po dyan, mag-iingat po kayo lagi. Ayan po ulit, happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na? Vicky Marites, bye-bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Lisa.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lisa.
Wishing you all the best, especially good health as always, and more birthdays to come. May God continue to bless you and your family. Thank you, Ma'am, sa effort sa imong pag-send sa among daog through GCash, and stay fit and sexy. Cheers to another years, Ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lisa. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday again, Ma'am, and God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lisa. God bless.
I just want to thank you for always showing you care. Even when times get tough, I can count on you to be there. In good times and bad times, I'm so glad that you're in my life.
Good morning, Ma'am Lisa. Ano sa lahat, happy birthday to you. Sana bigyan ka ng Lord ng mahabang buhay, lakas ng pangangatawan, at sa iyong fashion show dance, sana ma-inspire mo pa kami sa iyong dance floor everyday na araw-araw nakikita namin sa FB, at sa iyong, lalo na sa iyong diet. Sana ka makapag-diet, sana kagaya mo, everyday vegetable, and good health, more blessings to come, and sana i-guide ka pa ni Lord ng maraming blessing. And maraming salamat sa iyo at nakilala kita sa FB at napasali sa mga games, lalo rin kay Ma'am Gina. Thank you na very much. Happy birthday, more blessings to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the most beautiful Ma'am Lisa Shibara. Happy birthday, Ma'am Liz. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. And stay beautiful and sexy always. And hoping this year you can find your true love. Charat! We love you so much. Thank you so much for everything. And you know how much we love you.